Hey everyone, here's a book called The Very Busy Spider by Eric Carle. Are you afraid of spiders? Not me. Let's see. Here we are. Early one morning, the wind blew a spider across the field. A thin, silky thread trailed from her body. The spider landed on a fence post near a farmyard and began to spin a web with her silky thread. "Hey, hey," said the horse. "Want to go for a ride?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "Mmm," said the cow. "You want to eat some grass?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "Bah, bah," bleated the sheep. "You want to run in the meadow?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "Mah, mah," said the goat. "You want to jump on the rocks?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Grunted the pig. "You want to roll in the mud?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Barked the dog. "Want to chase a cat?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "Meow, meow," cried the cat. "Want to take a nap?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "Quack, quack," called the duck. "Want to go for a swim?" The spider didn't answer. She had now finished her web. Crowed the rooster. "You want to catch a pesky fly?" And the spider caught the fly in her web, just like that. "Woo-hoo, asked the owl. "Who built this beautiful web?" The spider didn't answer. She had fallen asleep. It had been a very, very busy day. The end.